My research is focused on creating a new model for wastewater treatment and water bodies restoration in collaboration with communities. Transformative research matters now more than ever because humanity has reached a critical point where the health of the people and the planet is under threat. So if we want to address those challenges, we cannot do it if we keep working in silos. Transformative research must create bridges across generations, across sectors, and also across disciplines. Being awarded as a national champion, it's a great responsibility and it's a great honor for me and for my team. And this has given us the opportunity that our work receive more recognition and we can also influence public policies. The Frontier Planet Prize is impactful, visionary, and transformative. Science can save the planet if we are capable of translating scientific knowledge into public policies. If you are thinking of applying to the next Frontier Planet Prize, please go for it. Now it's time to share your research with the world.